Extra protection for people most vulnerable in case of a COVID resurgence. Today, the FDA moved to allow people over 50 and those immunocompromised ages 12 and older to get another dose of the Pfizer or Moderna COVID vaccine. WATE 31's Ashley Carter spoke with a local infectious disease specialist about this approval.
Ashley, what impact is he expecting from today's vaccine decision?
Well, the infectious disease specialist at Huntsville Hospital told me those who are younger and aren't immunocompromised won't see much of an effect from getting that fourth dose, but he is happy that the FDA authorized it for those who are in those communities.
It's mainly those with multiple risk factor might benefit more if they get a fourth shot and compare to only a third shot.
Speaking on the newly authorized fourth dose coronavirus shot, Dr. Ali Hassoun, an infectious disease specialist at Huntsville Hospital, says unless you're immunocompromised or have an increased risk of exposure, the second booster really isn't going to have much of an effect on you or preventing another surge.
In normal, healthy population, really doesn't make major difference in a transmission to others. And it might reduce some hospitalization, but not the major effect that we've seen it with two-shot vaccination and then a third booster dose.
Dr. Hassoun says he hopes the focus now shifts towards tweaking the current vaccine rather than recommending more booster doses for everyone.
We've had the same shot now for over the last 1 year more. So I really hope there's going to be some tweaking and changes to the vaccine to be recommended for everyone as we see mutation in the virus or surges, rather than we keep giving the same vaccine.
He says making a vaccine to better protect against the latest dominant strain, like they do the flu shot every year, will be more beneficial when it comes to preventing future surges.
We're hoping we're not going to get more surges. We're hoping it's going to go away. But at the moment, we're facing this possibility. So I think it will be better to adjust the vaccine according to what we have predominant as well.
Now, Dr. Hassoun says that getting those two doses and the booster shot is still the best way to prevent another surge. And when it comes to tweaking the vaccine, he said health officials have discussed it briefly, but he hasn't seen much other information on it. Live in Huntsville, Ashley Carter, WATE 31 News.
Thanks, Ashley. More than 2.3 million Alabamians are fully vaccinated against COVID-19, and our state test positivity rate remains low at 2.5% right now. Hospitalizations have also dropped to the lowest level since March of 2020.